Good evening, Ma. Can we start the session? Yes. Today we are going to see how the digital tools are transforming the way safety audit are conducted in any organization or any institutions. Whether it is a factory floor or a construction site or even a corporate office, ensuring workplace safety, it's not a just a legal obligations. It is essential for employee well-being and business sustainability also. As future professionals, the business and commerce students, it's important to understand how the technology is reshaping compliance process, making them more efficient, transparent, and proactive. But traditionally, safety audit, it's happened everything in the manual checklist, right? But the proper documentation and on-site inspections, everything is happened. But nowadays, it's a time-consuming and often led to delay in identifying and fixing the safety issues. So now the everything is the digitalized. So like mobile audit op is there, cloud-based reporting system is there, real-time dashboard is there, and even AI-powered analytics. We are seeing a huge leap in how organization manage safely. So in this section, we will look at what safety auditing really involves, the role of digital tools in improving compliance and efficiency, really it's true or not. Then, and most thing is how these digital tools contribute to creating safer workplace. So whether you are managing the operations or working in HR or handling compliance, in future, understanding these tools give you a modern edge in the workplace, right? So, that let's begin by understanding what a safety audit actually, right? The safety audit is a structured purpose used to evaluate how effectively an organization is managing health and safety. It involves checking policies, procedures, equipment, and employee behavior to identify any risk or gaps in the compliance. The main purpose of the safety auditors twofold, that is to ensure that working conditions are safe for employees and to make sure that the organization is meeting all relevant laws and safety regulations. Now, traditionally, these audits were done manually, but using proper checklist, clipboards, and physical inspections. This approach had several limitations, especially the time consuming. Then some errors should be occurred in doing their manual and often reactive rather than proactive. So overcome these limitations, now that today we are witnessing a major shift from manual to digital process. Thanks to advanced in technology, the companies can now use mobile app, cloud-based platforms, and even AI tools to conduct faster, more accurate and more efficient safety audit also. This shift does not improve productivity. It can prevent accident, even reduce the legal risk and build a cultural in safety in the workplace also. So in the rest of this presentation, we will explore how these digital tools work and why they are becoming essential in modern business environment. The importance of safety auditing in business: ensure legal compliance. Safety audit help business comply with government and international safety standards such as OSHA, that is Occupational Safety and Health Administration. It is that US governed body, but this safety mechanisms is used to all over global. Then ISO 45001, that is a global standard for occupational health and safety management system. This is also one of the global level safety systems. So why it is matter for here? Because non-compliance can lead to heavy fines, legal actions, even forced shutdown also. You know, the manufacturing company in India failed to follow fire safety protocols and was penalized, right? Penalized by local authorities, even if they had performed regular safety audit, they would have identified and fixed the issue on time. The second one is prevent workplace accident. Audit identify hazards before they cause harm, like exposed wires, then faulting some machineries, even the lack of emergency exit. So here, the reducing their accident protect employee and avoid disruption in business operations. That's why the prevent is needed for workplace accident is most important. Example, at a food processing unit, a safety audit discovered slippery flooring in the washing area. After anti-slip mat were installed, the number of workers' injuries dropped significantly. This is the importance of safety auditing purpose. So third one is enhance productivity and employee morale also. When employee feels safe, they are more focused, motivated, even loyal also. So the safety measures reduced downtime caused by accident. What is the matter here? The safe worker environment is also a sign of good leadership and responsible management. An IT company that invested in ergonomic furnitures and safe electrical layout saw fewer health complaints and improve employee satisfaction score in internal survey. So the fourth one is reduce financial losses and brand risk also. You know that the accident can lead to medical cost, repair bills, insurance claims, and lawsuits. Not to mention damage to the company's reputation also. Because the investing in safety audit is something is cheaper than dealing with the consequences of an accident. Example, you take that chemical company experienced a leak due to poor maintenance. Not only did they face fine, but the news coverage also damaged their brand and resulting in lost business deals also. Yes. So these are the things most important in the safety audit. These purposes we are conducting their safety audit. Then the evaluation from manual to digital audit. You know, the safety auditing has evolved over the years from manual system to digital tools. And why this transformation is important in modern business operations. That is, in the traditional way, the paper checklist, then Excel spreadsheets, then physical documentations were doing their, they done the safety audit this way. But the problem is time consuming, right? Even the auditor had to collect data manually, enter it later into a computer or compile report it by hand. Then error prone also. The data could be lost, mislead, or even wrongly interpreted. So automatically the error should be occurred. Then no real-time visibility also. By the time management saw the report, the issues might have already escalated. Example, just to imagine a factory where a safety officer inspect fire executors. It's using a printer form. We can easily find the expired date. It might take days before that information reaches the maintenance team. During the delay, an accident could happen, right? That is, the Google Calendar is there. We can enter that Google Calendar regarding their expiry date. It's the digital tool. Its options are available 1 week before, the reminder options, or 10 days before, or a month before. We can set regarding so automatically the reminder will reach us. So this is the advantages of digital tools, right? Then digital auditing, that modern approach. Today the companies use digital tools to automate and streamline safe audit. This includes the mobile app for on-site inspections, cloud storage for instant reports sharing, then real-time dashboards that alert managers immediately, right? So what is the benefit should be included? First one is speed. So the audit can conducted faster as well as automatically logged. Then accuracy also. The photos, GPS, then timestamp and digital signatures ensure high quality as well as tempered proof data. Then efficiency, automated reminders, templates, and incident reports save valuable times. Example, the logistic company used the mobile app to inspect vehicle safety, right? If a brake issue is found, the app instantly notify the service team, assign a task and record completion all within a second. So this prevent accident and improve vehicle on time also. So the shift from manual to digital auditing is not just about using their new tools. It's not meaning like that. It is about improving safety culture, decision making, as well as that accountability also. So for a future managers like you, yes, the embracing such tool will help you build smarter, safer, and more agile organization. So whether you are working in HR, operations, or administration, whatever may be, the understanding digital auditing is becoming a core skill. Okay. So remember that what gets measured gets managed. That is most important. The digital tool help you measure better, faster, and more effectively. So next one is, what is the type of digital tools in safety auditing? Let's now look at some of the most commonly used digital tools in modern safety auditing and how each plays a unique role in keeping workplace in safe and compliant. First one is mobile inspection app. That is iAuditor safety cultures na. So these are app used on smartphones, tablets, or in lab, or whatever may be, by safety officer during the inspection. So they replace proper checklist with interactive digital forms. The benefit of using iAuditor or safety culture, I mean the using their mobile app na, that is the real-time data capture, then ability to attach photo and notes, then automatic report generation also possible. So example, at a hotel chain, right, the manager used iAuditor to inspect kitchen hygiene na. So if a violation is spotted, instantly the report with photos to the central office for immediate actions. So these are the benefits involved. Second one, if you are using their mobile app. Second one is cloud safety systems. The Echo Online, the Enablen, it is the cloud systems provide a centralized safety management system that store and analyze all safety data in the cloud mode. What is the benefit we are using these cloud platforms? First one is easy access to report from anywhere. Then integration with HR, compliance, and maintenance system also. Then ensure audit, trial, and accountability. So the example, the multinational company uses Enablen to track safety KPI across in global offices also. That is, KPI is nothing, the key performance indicators. That is the standard, what we are expecting. The safety audit. Yes, so the executives can compare data from India or Germany or US in one places. So these are the benefits we are using their cloud platforms. Then third one is IoT devices, Internet of Things, right? The example, sensor, alarms, or wearable trackers we are using for IoT devices. For example, IoT helps monitor workplace condition in real time. Use cases na, the gas leak detectors in chemical plant, then wearable tracking worker movement in mines, then temperature or vibration sensor on machineries. So in oil refinery, gas sensors alert the staff instantly if there is a leak, preventing disaster before they happen. Then what is the benefits of AI tools? That is the predictive analysis, then risk forecasting, everything is possible for using their AI tools. The benefit is help prioritize high risk areas, then suggest preventive actions, then support decision making also. Example, a construction firms use AI to analyze accident report. The system predict that ladder related accident, then increasing on Mondays and advise extra supervisions. Okay, So that last one is drone. We are using their drones now. What is the benefit? That is remote inspection. In some of the hazard situations also, some of the hazardous areas now, we can easily to reach out. Yes, for example, more than 5,000 feet, more than 20,000 feet, we can manage or supervise. That system is helpful for us. So no need to risk human lives in dangerous zones. Then captures HD videos and thermal imaginary also. Then useful in mining. Mining field, it's very difficult, you know that, to monitor everything. Even that large factories, especially the disasters zone also. So we can easily to use their drone systems. You know that the wind energy company use the drone so to inspect some dormant blades also, we can monitorable, right? So this avoids sending workers hundreds of feet in the air. So as you can see, these tools are not just that technical glimpse, right? They solve real world safety problems also. So the future manager or the entrepreneurs, please, you understand these tools will give you on edge in industries that value safety, compliance, and operational excellence also. Then what is the key features that make modern digital safety tools so powerful and effective for business today? These tools go far beyond just replacing paper checklist. They add intelligence, speeds, and connectivity to the entire safety process. The real-time data collection and monitoring, the modern tool allows the data to be captured instantly through mobile devices or sensor. So no more waiting for someone to type it into Excel at the end of the day. Then automated of routine task also. The task like audit scheduling, follow-up reminders, and report generations are automated. Automatically, it happens, save time, reduce the human errors, and ensure constantly. Then customized, some customized checklist and template also it's possible. You know, the digital tools allow business to create their own checklist based on the industry, even the location or departmental needs also. Then cloud-based access. All inspection data, image, report are stored in the cloud as well as that accessible form anywhere in the global. So the benefit is incident access for managers and auditors also, easy sharing with and collaborations, and secure backup of critical safety data also. Another thing is it's a very user-friendly systems, right? The dashboards provide a visual overview of safety performance like number of open issues, inspection scores, or response time also. Then automated alert and notification also possible. Is these things are helpful for these are the key factors helpful for safety auditing. Then what is the benefits of digital safety tools? The following benefits is happening for using their safety, the digital safety tools. One is fast and more accurate audit is possible. Inspectors can use mobile devices or IoT or AI tools. Instantly, we can possible to give that outcome of what we are expecting now. That outcome we can get it. Then reduce the paperwork also. You know that nowadays the circular economy, 4 to 5 classes before I'm just took one circular economy. I hope that all are remember that, right? Nowadays the world is going towards circular economy, that is sustainability, reusable, right? Because green environment. So that time the technology the paperwork will be reduced, means automatically it is sustainability, right? That the world towards the green economy. So it's helpful for no more filling the cabinets full of inspection report, right? So the paper also save, the tree also save, right? So the digital platforms eliminate the need for printing, storing, manually scanning, everything, no need. So the documents are stored securely online and easily reachable. So the benefit is this is not only save the time, it is also physical space, but also support environment sustainability. Something today the business and customers value high, right? Then improved compliance tracking also. We are using their digital tools now. So the monitor compliance with safety regulations, it's easily possible. Then automatically receive alert when inspections or certifications are due. Then store all audit trails in one place for easy access during external audit. So during on external government inspection, a construction company was able to instantly show vast safety records and reports via their cloud-based system, impressing auditors and avoiding any penalties. So the fourth one is enhanced safety culture also. When the digital tools are used constantly, they create a culture where safety is taken seriously. Then risks are addressed proactively and the employee feel their well-being is most priority. Okay. So for example, you take logistic company that implemented wearable safety devices, saw a drop in minor injuries and also raising employee satisfaction within 6 months, right? So the last one is data driven decision making also. One of the biggest advantage in digital tools is the ability to analyze trends in the predict risk based on real time data. So the managers can identify the accident prone zones or unsafe behaviors. So the resources can be allocated more effectively. Example, by analyzing incident report across multiple branches, a retail cabin identified that backroom stocking areas were hotspot for injuries, then leading them to redesign the storage layout, etc. So the digital safety tools not just about doing the audit, they also about transforming the entire safety ecosystem of the business. That is the meaning, right? Then if go for some case studies, yes, here you know that we have learned so far into a real world contest through this much of case studies. Example, no, first Meet ABC Manufacturing Company, a mid-sized company that produced automotive parts. A few years ago, they were facing multiple safety challenges. Example, frequent workplace accident in the assembly line, then long manual inspections, then lack of real-time visibility into the safety risk. These are the challenges faced frequently. What the tools they adopted in digital tools? First one is iAuditor. They used for daily safety inspections, checklist, and issue tracking. So the iAuditor apply for ABC company, na? So automatically the supervisor could now complete audit on mobile devices and attach photo instantly. Then the ABC used for IoT sensor also. Installed around machines to monitor temperature, pressures, and even motion also. So if equipment behaved abnormally, the alert system was sent into the real time to the safety team. So the result, so automatically the 40% reduction in accident, 60% faster audit, right? So additional benefit is the manager had real-time visibility also. Another thing is the employee felt more secure and supported also. So automatically their morale should be increased. So this case shows how digital safety tools are helpful for big corporations. They are valuable for any business that wants to protect people, improve efficiency, as well as stay compliant. You know that automatically the brand name also should be increased. That is most important. So the real world, it's a ABC company, it's a mid-sized company of automotive, right? In that company, previously faced lot of challenges, especially delay auditing systems, as well as some workplace. Now frequently the accident it's happened, then the real visibility getting more risk also. But they use iAuditor, IoT sensor, automatically they get 40% reduction in accident, as well as the 60% faster audit, right? So automatically we get the benefit. These things we learn from this real world example. Okay, just move on to the next. You know that as much as digital safety tools the offer incredible benefits, the business also face some key challenges and limitations. That is also we want to be acceptable. While adopting their digital tools, the manual to digital conversation, some challenges want to be faced, right? The important to understand to make well-informed business decisions. First one is high initial investment is needed. The digital tool often require companies to invest so the mobile devices or tablet for inspections, then software license or subscriptions, then infrastructure like to invest the sensor systems or cloud store platforms. We need huge amount. So that is the major challenge for to face the any companies. Even especially we can't possible to adopt small scale companies, right? Maximum the large scale companies may be possible to manage, but the small scale companies not possible to spending huge amount. Example, the small manufacturing firm might hesitate to install IoT sensor because due to the upfront cost, even though it could save money in the long run, but through fewer accident, right? The second challenge is need for employee training also. You know that above 50, the age people, it's very difficult to adopt these digital, to learn this digital tool. We spending more training amount also, that is also, it's a very big question, right? So that is one of the challenge. You know that the workers need to be trained in a new system, then some may not aware their technology knowledge, then to feel uncomfortable for digital inspections. Example, in a warehouse, the older employee might prefer traditional checklist and resist switching to a mobile app also. For example, one thing is, you know that 21st century, na, that time, this initial timing, the ICICI Bank merged with Madura Bank, right? That time one incident has happened. The Madura Bank is located from many rural area. But ICICI, we know that it's corporate bank. So the Madura Bank, the ICICI Bank merged with Madura Bank, na, that time the employees, the ICICI management giving their rules, the employees, those who are working with the Madura Bank also hereafter consider as the ICICI Bank employees. So the ICICI Bank employees want to be tuck the dresses, yes, wear to tie, wear to shoes, everything is must. So the older people not to be able to even to follow that things also. Even the retired people, the next 6 months to 1 year, they are going to retire, na? That people to raising their voice, we want to adopt such a situation, everything. Why I'm just to highlight it here means, even the humans cannot possible to adopt everything. It's a single stretch, right? So the more counseling is needed, more training is needed, that much of amount we want to spend. These are the challenges are mainly in corporate, right? Then another thing is the data privacy and cyber security risk also. When you move safety record to a cloud, the data security become very critical, right? What if sensitive safety reports are hacked? Then how is personal data from wearable devices protected? Example, if a cloud safety system is not secured properly, it may be vulnerable then to something. It's putting both employee data as well as that company reputation also risk, right? This is one of the major challenge. Another one is the resistance to technology adoption also. The many people are simply resistant to change, right? So they may fear job loss due to automations. Other may think digital tool will increase their workload or complexity. For example, you know that biometric system also danger for to feel many people. It is not suitable for us because that manual register sign, na, we can go for whenever, right? We can go out for whenever, whatever we wish, right? No need for to maintaining their timing, everything. But if you implement that biometric system for attendance, na, even 1 second go for late, automatically it's taking their permissions. So after completing their working hours only, we can take the biometric for exit zone, right? So these are the things now, the automatically the human should be restricted, because these are the changes to adopting their technology. So adoption of technologies. So example, the safety manager who has been doing paper based audit na for more than 20 years, they are doing like that. So might feel threatened or frustrated for working new systems. So while the digital safety tools offer major advantage, even the successful implementations depends on how the business manage these challenges, especially in terms of cost, training, security, and human behavior also. So understanding here is both benefits and limitations will help you make smarter, more balanced decisions when implementing their technology in your workplace, right? So please keep on that in your mind. Every systems, yes, having their challenge, but how we can overcome the challenge, that is most important, right? So as a future manager, your hands, right? You only want to be balanced both limitation as well as the benefits, right? How we can go for to implementation of that digital tool, everything is there in your hands only. Okay, so you know that the time of in implemented in the time of during that TV na, that time also everybody's or resistance to change, right? If you see that TV, automatically the eye will be, right, getting some health issues, lot of thing is there. So we want to bring the we won't purchase that TV, not like that na. We just to be, if any system should be introduced, the same advantage, right? Some few disadvantages also is there, but how we can overcome the disadvantage, that is the matter of good leader as well as the management people as well as the business people responsible, right? So finally, no, you know that today's sections, right, we can see that quickly review the key points to remember about digital tools in safety auditing. You know that the digital tool modernized safety audit, we have seen, right, how the technology has transformed safety audit from slow manual process into fast, accurate, and smart workflows. From mobile app to AI and IoT devices, these tools bring safety management into the 21st century, right? Improve compliance, safety, and efficiency also. By adopting the digital tools, the business can better comply with regulations, prevent accidents, and save time and cost also. This lead to a safer workplace, happier employee, as well as strong brand reputations. The automatically the employee feel safe, right? So the work involvement should be increased. You know that labor welfare and safety measure is most important for every human intervention of any companies, right? That is only the job satisfaction only to creating their more involvement. Automatically the more involvement na, the employees to produce the qualityable product. So automatically we produce the qualityable product, automatically we stand in the market. That's mean our brand reputation will be extended. We can possible to beat the competitors. Yes, these are the things is inbuilt. Yes, we get it for implementing their digital tools of safety audit. Then another thing is future manager need to understand the safety technology also. Whether you aim to be on operational manager or HR leader or entrepreneur, have knowledge of safety technologies is increasingly important. You know, it help you make informed decisions, the protect your workforce, then drive business success. The technology is on enabler, not a replacement for good management and a strong safety culture also. You know, your role as future business professionals will be to combine smart tools with thoughtful leadership to build safer workplace. Another thing is in safety audit, you know, lot of career opportunities available. In safety audit course, 6-month course is there, 1-month course is there, 20 days course is there. You complete that course, you get that certificate, you are eligible to working many companies in the safety auditor role. Nowadays, all the companies, even not only India, yes, even many global countries, even underdeveloped countries also, nowadays more aware about their safety concern. So there's every companies, even the small companies, mid-size company, large-size company, having separate department in the make sure they are safety concern. So 1 or 2 people at least, even the small companies also, 1 or 2 peoples are hired them for the safety audited purpose. So you having their MBA after completion of MBA or after completion of BBA, after completion of BCom, you having 1 or 2 certificates in safety audit, automatically you get the good job opportunities also, right? That's why I'm taking this topic for my core concern of today's session. I hope that all the students well understand about their what is the importance of safety concern in every organization, right? That is, every organization safety concern is most important. Here I'm just to ensure that safety audit related job opportunities are available in our society. So if you do have any ideas about, please search it and to at least in side by side to complete 1 or 2 courses. It's helpful for your future placement. Okay, very all the best. Then do you have any questions? Please welcome. I'm ready to clarify your doubts also. Please, any doubt or any questions, please ask them. Yes, ma. At least, otherwise you are not asked the questions. At least to yes, send chat box. Yes, you having to face some difficult to unmute and to ask the questions, to feel shy or something. Some students are introvert also, I agree that. Okay, please, at least if you having any doubt, please share the chat box also. I'm ready to answer it. Okay.
Mom, I was sent a message in chat box, please.
I didn't receive any message.
Mom, can you specify please about the
Yeah,
lecture sheet?
yeah. NEBO's course as well as the audit course, it's not a very actually it is both the courses also, it comes to safety purpose only. But the thing is the NEBO's comes to the quality management related courses, right? But the audit normally it's compiled to the safety orientations. Okay, the quality is different, safety is different. So that is the major difference between NEBO's course as well as the audit course. Any other query?
Oh, Mom, please.
Sorry, your voice is not audible.
Please, Mom, I want the lecture sheet, someone, please.
Shahid, actually your voice is not audible. Please little bit louder.
Okay. Mom, I want a lecture sheet because I don't cook till month of January to till now. It's better for me to home study.
Otherwise, you just to write your concern in the chat box because your voice is not clear for me.
Okay, so I will send the message in the chat box, please.
Yes, yes, please. Yes, any other question? Laiba? Can we actually? Yeah, I told na that I auditor also one of the example of mobile app, right? It is one of the mobile app. This app helpful for that, right? Uh, uh, Previously na you just to be go for live, I mean live locations, that I auditor helpful for capture the photo, yes, directly send to the center safety auditing officer na, they send it to through mail or within a second. For example, that's why I'm saying that uh, hotel field also, right? We are in food industries, we are go for inspection regarding that na, in kitchen or something area na, we go for that. That time automatically to capture the photo to send to the central uh, safety auditor office. Okay, so automatically it's helpful for to take their steps as well as the quick solution also we can possible. Another thing is yeah, definitely I'm sending you the lecture, what are the classes I'm just to taking from November to till, I'm just to giving their list. Okay, what date, what topic I have taken. Okay, I'm just to sharing to you. I don't know what is who's asking that question, SH. But anyway, definitely I'm just to sharing you for that next classes. what are the topic, which date I just to handle everything, I just to sharing you. Okay, don't worry about that. Yeah, again and again, everybody's are asking that same question only. Yes, the iAuditor also one of the good example of mobile app. Okay, so another thing is you know that IoT sensor, that is also helpful for good auditing systems, right? Then if you go for in depth na, you know that some of the you know that ABC, the live example also I just to share to you. They are basically using their iAuditor. Then some cloud forms also, platform also is there. Yes, that cloud platforms is user friendly. Some dashboards also is there. You know, it's a lot of competition is there. Yes, especially dashboards, because ABC companies using some dashboards, some of the even uh, some Tesla using some dashboards, lot of dashboards, lot of apps are available. Okay, we can't say that this dashboard is best, this app is best. It's not like that, right? So you the courses, if you join the courses now, you can get that basic things. Yes, how we can use that platform, everything. So almost the 99 percentage every platforms using their same way only. It's not a biggest deal. For example, what is the difference between WhatsApp message and normal message, right? The difference is the app only different, right? The message app is lacking some of the things to compare the WhatsApp app, right? That much of difference is there. Every dashboard, every cloud forms, right? But it's not, but normally we just to join some safety courses now, we get some ideas how we can use it or what are the benefit is there. Now I'm just to taking the basic things. Previously I told that this section I'm taking now only for two reasons. One is at least you want to be aware what is safety money, I mean safety orders, what to be done in the organization. That is first. Second one is in that safety audit, it's a emerging field for career. Yes, it is one of the option available for Metro as well as Cosmos cities. Some of the institution offering their safety courses, but we want to spend much more amount. Even the Swayam, yes, NPTEL courses, the Coursera, some of the platforms also available for safety auditing courses. Side by side, you just to complete 1 or 2 safety courses, it's helpful for your future career. The two agenda only I just took that topic for today. Okay. Yeah, the safety career, yes, it's a good question. How to secure a safety career in your future with AI? You know that the IoT, it's one of the example. Yes, the sensor system. Another thing is the automations. You know that now every maximum the large scale companies, even Tesla, Google, everybody's are just to be shifted manual to automations, right? They are using their robotics, everything. You know that yeah, so automatically the safety management convert to the AI. Not only future, even nowadays also the many of the safety management SMS system, safety management systems now utilize the AI. So the robotics, IoT, even the blockchain also that the data driven, the privacy also one of the challenges I told like that. So the blockchain also having to using their safer side to secure the data. So in these areas, the AI are helpful for them for the SMS system, that is safety management systems. So in your future, lot of options are available. We can choose it. Especially safety management, the drone system, yes, they especially IoT, especially robotics, it's helpful for SMS system. Not only future, many of the foreign, many of the large scale companies also utilized nowadays itself. Any other questions? Very good. I'm very happy. More than 10 questions are just to ask them through chat box, but I'm asking that in a voicemail. No one ready to yes to speak. Thank you so much. At least your intention, you feel like that you are introvert. Please at least share with the your queries, everything through chat box. Not a matter. Thank you so much. Yes, I hope that today's section's little, but at least the 50% is benefit for you. I feel like that. Thank you so much. Upcoming section also, I'm just to take such a benefitable sessions to you. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. You don't have any queries, please leave the sessions. Thank you.